Good morning, students of class 8. Hope all are fine. So, in our previous class, we had revised chapter 1 of Civics and we had learned about Rajya Sabha, isn't it? So, today we are going to learn Loka Sabha. Loka Sabha is the house of people. It is also called lower house also. So next we'll see the composition of Loka Sabha. So here children, you can see in Loka Sabha the representatives are directly elected on the basis of adult suffrage, whereas in Rajya Sabha you had seen indirect election, isn't it? So the minimum strength of the house according to the constitution, it should be 552 members. So in that 530 members should represent the states, 20 members represent the union territories, and not more than 2 members of Anglo-Indian community. So now at present in Lok Sabha we have 545 members, of which 530 members are directly elected from the states, 13 from union territories, and 2 are nominated by the president on the advice of prime minister from Anglo-Indian community. Clear? So now at present how many members are there? 545 members are there. In that 530 are directly elected from the states, 13 from union territories, and 2 are nominated by the president on the advice of the prime minister from the Anglo-Indian community. Okay. So next we'll see what is this universal adult franchise. So here universal adult franchise means every citizen of India who have attained the age of 18 years and whose name is registered in the voter list, so they can cast their vote. Understood? So they can elect the representatives for the legislature. So without any discrimination of caste, creed, color, sex, religion, beliefs, everyone can give their vote. Understood? So this is called universal adult franchise. Next we'll see qualification for the Lok Sabha members. So here the Lok Sabha members, a candidate must be a citizen of India. He should attain the age of 25 years of age or above, and he should possess such other qualification as may be fixed by a law of parliament. Then registered as a voter in any of the parliamentary constitutions. So these are some of the qualifications. Okay. Next we'll see what are the disqualifications. A candidate shall be disqualified to become a member of Lok Sabha or Rajya Sabha on the following basis, that is, if he or she holds an office or profit at central or state, that is, he should not be a employee under central or state government. If he is working means he has to resign, then he can go for election. Okay. Then is of unsound mind and has been declared so by a competent court. So he should not, if he has got some mentally sick, then he cannot compete for the election. Is an undischarged insolvent. So here if he has taken so much of loan and he has not paid the loan back, so in that condition also he cannot stand for the election. Next is a proclaimed offender or criminal. Obviously, a criminal cannot stand for election. Okay, so these are the disqualifications for the Lok Sabha members. Next, we'll see term of Lok Sabha. So, here, children, the Lok Sabha members will be there for 5 years. Okay, but it can be dissolved earlier by the president on the recommendations of prime minister. Okay, that is, you can see this type has happened with the 11th, 12th and 13th Lok Sabhas, which were dissolved on 4th December 1997, 26th April 1999 and even 6th February 2004. So, during a proclamation of emergency, the parliament, that is Lok Sabha, can extend its own term by 1 year also. Okay, and the extension cannot continue beyond 6 months after the proclamation of emergency as ceased to exercise. Okay, next we'll see leader of the house. So here Prime Minister is the leader of the house. In this capacity, he is given a special seat on the treasury bench. Okay, so who is the leader of the house? Prime Minister is the leader of the house. So who is the Prime Minister of our country? Yes, Mr. Narendra Modi is our Prime Minister of India. So next we'll see leader of the opposition. So the leader of the second largest political party in the house is recognized as the leader of opposition. Okay, even though if the member is opposition also, he will be provided the party as at least 1/10 of the total membership of the house under the leader of opposition act of 1977 AD. He or she enjoys the same status and facilities as are enjoyed by a cabinet minister. Okay, next we'll see Speaker of Lok Sabha. So here the Lok Sabha Speaker will be elected from among its members only. So he or she presides over its sittings. So next we'll see the deputy speaker. So there will be a deputy speaker also. So there is also deputy speaker in Lok Sabha. He is elected by the members from the amongst themselves in the same manner as speaker as elected. Understood how the speaker as elected? Like that only the deputy speaker is also elected. And what is the work of this deputy speaker? He or she presides over the meetings of Lok Sabha and performs the duties what the speaker was doing on his absence. Okay, maybe he may be having illness or some problem he will be having, no, so that time in his absence the deputy speaker will do the same work of the speaker of Lok Sabha. So children, for today we'll conclude this topic here. So revise the topic again, read the chapter thoroughly. Understood? So we'll continue in our next session. Okay. Thank you children. Have a nice day.